Okay, so I'm going to try to compress probably a week-long course into 40 minutes talking about SystemVerilog OOP, and just sort of give you the bare necessities of what OOP is all about. And we're not really going to talk about UVM, but all of this is sort of the basis of what the UVM base class library is built upon. So a quick history of object-oriented programming. And it's interesting to note that the very first object-oriented programming language was something called Simula. It was a hardware description language, of all things. And you know, hardware is very conducive to modeling to OOP because you're taking little components, instantiating them on a board or on a chip, and that's the data and the behavior is all together in one spot. And that's sort of what OOP is about. And then in 1983, C++ came, and that was the first real software programming language that came around, and it merged the concepts of Simula with C. But a big problem with C and object-oriented programming was they didn't throw out anything in C. They left everything that was there, and they just added on to it. And C++, if you ever coded in it, it's very difficult to manage, especially memory. People get a lot of errors. That's hard to memory pointers out of bounds. And so Java started out and is still being used very successfully today as a highly reliable alternative.